Let's run Google Ads with AI. To get started, let's select Google Search Ads. We will recommend the targeting, write the ad copy, and create the entire campaign from just a few lines of text that you provide. Let's do an example for a window cleaning service. Just add your website or landing page. Describe what you want to promote, like window cleaning, and just add the name of your business. This is all you have to do to run targeted ads like a pro that help generate leads, phone calls, or drive sales. Next, just tap Generate Description to finish out the rest of your templated AI prompt and tap Generate Content. Your ad is now being created for you, even though we just selected Google Search Ads. This is creating the ads across Facebook ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads, and any other ad platform you have connected to. These ads are just waiting to be launched, and we will take a look at them after this. You can also see all of the ad combinations that are being created and A/B tested to improve your performance. We can see all of the headlines and descriptions for our Google ad created here, and we can edit them if needed. You can add your phone number if you want phone calls, show on Google Maps to drive and store traffic, and add a lead form to capture leads. You can add your daily ad budget here. Let's take a look at the targeting too. You will see all of your keywords that are selected, and you can always add more from the suggested keywords list. You can also add negative keywords if you'd like, but we already add match types to your keywords to safety guard your budget. Last, you can also select the location you want to target. It can be a city, state, country, or even a radius around a specific address or zip code. You can save a draft of your ad for later or tap Create to launch your ad now. Tap Create one more time to confirm. But first, let's take a look at what this ad looks like on Google Display, where your image-based ads can show on over 2 million websites that have articles related to what you are selling. So your ads are contextually relevant, which can increase your ad performance. We automatically remove the watermark of Shutterstock images and videos once you create the ad. You can also upload your own creative and just select the size here that we will help you format. Add multiple images to help you A/B test and improve performance. The rest of this ad is all ready to go. Let's take a look at Google Call Ads. When someone clicks on this ad, it starts a phone call with your business instead of going to a website. So if you want phone calls to book appointments and grow your business, consider using Google Call Ads. You can also run ads across all of Google channels from a single campaign. You can add YouTube videos, images, and more. Just select your target location and launch your ad, or save a draft to complete later. You can see all of your ad results right within the AI Ads tool. We show you an easy calendar as far as what's going on with your ads day 1, week 1, and ongoing. While we make it easy to launch ads, we focus on creating them in a way to give you amazing performance that beat industry benchmarks. You can also edit your ads at any time within your ad results section here. We can't wait to see all of the amazing Google ads you will create with AI.